to the correction or evaluate from the output that you have made for this week.
Okay.
From Monday until Friday. I want to ask about sounds great here. How many sounds that you have taught to the students in this week?
For this week we have 3 sounds about yes, M, act, and app. For example, like that one tap, cap, and then set.
M is not right first.
Yes, and
Example?
so the first one actually act.
Okay, example?
Example like set.
Or set.
And the second one is M. The example is the one. M is that one RAM. The example is RAM, and the last one, the sound is app. The example
So did you just give one example to the students?
No, there
So
are
what else?
12 words there about type cap. They want app cap, and then RAM, and then if that one set.
F is not what?
App set.
And
Them.
app.
Is app cap.
Okay, so totally how many examples did you give to them?
There are
For each of these sound.
12. Oh, actually for each sound they have 4
For one sound.
4 words for one sound.
Alright, now we move to simplicity, little steps. This is about Teddy. Can you explain this story?
Yeah, this week we start the unit 6 about. Actually, the unit explain about kinds of clothes. But in that time on Monday we still talk about the story. The story is about bear.
What is the story about?
The story is about teddy bear show. So the teddy bear do the show about the clothes that they wear.
So what are the teddy bears wearing?
The teddy bears wearing the scarf and wig.
How about the girls?
The
What are the
girls
girls wearing?
The girls is wearing what is that? Green scarf.
Scarf only?
What?
Scarf only?
Scarf and dress. Also
Dress. Are you sure?
It's
Yes,
in the
there's a scarf
story.
here.
Oh, the story is actually there are 4 dolls in there. The bear. There are 4 bear. The first one is the small one that she is wearing. What's the green scarf, and then the second one is a big bear that is wearing a blue tie. And then the third one is.
But this is about girl.
Yeah.
I mean the girls.
Oh,
what
the
does
girls.
the girl wear?
The girl is wearing a green scarf and the
And dress.
yes.
Okay, how about the boy?
The boy is wearing. I mean like this, miss. The boy in there. It means like the bear.
Oh,
The bear.
So I mean, so you mean actually the story is about bear, but the bear there's a girl and then the bear there's a boy. Okay. So how can they know that? Oh, this kind of bear is boy. This kind of bear is
the kinds of
girl.
the clothes.
From the clothes.
From
So the boy, the boy bear. I mean, what does he wear?
he wear a blue tie.
Blue tie. Okay. So how many ask the students about the clothes that they wear to the school?
What?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I mean, how is that? What are the kind of clothes or uniform that they wear when they go to school? Did you ask them?
Yeah, sure.
So what did they answer?
For example, like this, I give an example like we go to school every Monday to Friday, but every Monday to Thursday we are going to wear uniform, but especially for Friday, wear only wear casual like that.
So did you ask them, okay, do you know which one is skirt with you?
Yes, I showed to them like
that.
like I am wearing pants. I show to them this is pants, and that you are wearing is shirt or uniform. You can say it.
Okay, now dictionary English. Can you explain? What is ballad? Ballad English.
Ballad, I told to them that there is a beautiful dance on the stage, that the movement is like a butterfly because we do it, what is that? Soulfully like that. Yes, only that.
How about the bleeding ache?
The bleeding ache, I said to them that it is a kind of you stir eggs and then makes it you mix it well and well. For example, like you want to make a cake, and then you have to build the egg, then you stir the egg like that between us. Band. That one is to carve something or fold. For example, like you want to make an airplane paper, you can fold the paper like that. Bird cage is a place for birds to live in there. It's like their house, so they can take a rest there. Blinds is a fabric of a fabric or cloth to cover the windows from the side.
Example?
For example, like the blinds can cover the windows from the sunlight.
Blood transfusion bag.
Blood transfusion bag is that one is a container that a container for storing the blood, or we can call it a bag of blood that can help can help sick people. Boil is heat water with bubbles. That one is. So for example, like you want to make noodles, you have to boil the water.
So how can you explain to the students about the living things for random science?
The living things. Living things that I said that living things can grow, can move. Can move and need water like us, like plants, like animals, and like that.
Okay, so this one also about shapes. Can you mention kind of shapes?
Yes. There are rectangle, square, triangle, and sometimes I add that one star because after that I show the video, right? In that video there is another shape.
So how many shapes have you explained to them?
That one actually there are based on the book there are only 3. But I add only add in video basically about the song only. Star, diamond.
So can you mention some things in the class based on the shapes?
Something in the class based on the shapes like clock, then touchboard, then bulb.
What does the clock shape?
Sorry?
What is the clock shape?
Clock shape. The clock shape is circle.
The
book is square.
Touchboard.
The touchboard is rectangle.
Okay. So how will you explain to the students about the colors?
The colors, I show to them what they see in the classroom because in this classroom there are kinds of color that they can see directly.
So how can we explain to them about the things that represent red, yellow, and green?
Sorry, miss?
How can you explain to your students about the things that represent red, yellow, and green?
The person.
Yeah,
Oh,
some things that represent
some
red,
things.
yellow,
Oh,
green.
I asked them, did you ever see cheese? I said like that, right? And then yes, I know it is cheese. The cheese is salt. They say like that. And then what is the color of cheese? Some of them say yellow. Some of them say white. As we know that they are like that, right, miss? Yellow and white.
Okay, this is about animals. Did you ask them also about, oh, this kind of animal is having a short body like that?
I say to them that animals, about living things, I say like this, miss. The living things, there are three kinds of living things. The first is human or people like us, like mommy, daddy, and uncle, auntie, and something like that. And then if animals like cat on the what is that, on the land, and then about animals on the land, animal in the air, and then animals in the water. So I explain like
So
that. They can and should eat.
Oh, and then on
The last one, plants, yeah, the plants. I said to them, actually, plants is like us. They have hair. Their hair is the leaves. Their body is what is that? Stem like that, and branch.
how did you explain to them the difference between smooth or rough object?
Smooth and rough object. Oh, actually, that is the true one. Is if I give the rough one, because based on the book, I see. I also see that the rough one is about the shoes. No, the shoes, miss. What's that? The shoes that sometimes that is rough, right? And if the smooth one is tissue, tissue. Because in our class, the switch has and the tissue has.
Okay, now we move to ISP Bahasa and Science. I see here that the topic is same, is it?
Rekreasi.
Here, can you explain about rekreasi?
Oh, rekreasi in bahasa.
Iya, ini bahasa.
Rekreasi pada saat itu saya menjelaskannya tentang karena saya sesimpelnya gitu, sesederhananya. Jadi saya menjelaskan rekreasi itu tentang jalan-jalan, refreshing gitu kan. Lalu contohnya jalan-jalan seperti apa? Pergi ke gunung, pergi ke tempat bermain, taman bermain, pergi ke luar kota selain di rumah gitu. Seperti itu, Miss.
Oke, hubungan dengan kendaraan apa, Miss?
Dengan kendaraan, bagaimana mereka pergi ke tempat itu kalau tidak dengan kendaraan gitu, guys. Jadi alat transportasi supaya mereka sampai ke sana itu saya jelaskan gitu. Contohnya kendaraan yang ada di darat, laut, sama udara. Jadi dijelaskan satu-satu, disebutin satu-satu.
Kemudian ditanyakan apa jenis kendaraan yang paling kalian sukai? Tidak.
Jenis kendaraan, ya itu juga. Satu lagi sama jenis kendaraan yang biasa digunakan mereka.
Oke, jadi apakah bisa juga menjelaskan manfaat atau kegunaan rekreasi tersebut? Misalnya, apa sih manfaatnya dalam kehidupan kita kalau kita melakukan rekreasi? Apa bisa menjelaskan kepada mereka?
Ada sedikit, Miss. Karena tujuan kita melakukan rekreasi itu supaya kita tidak bosan dengan kegiatan itu saja. Contohnya kalau kamu dari Senin sampai Sabtu, Senin sampai Jumat kalian selalu belajar, hari Sabtu dan Minggu waktunya untuk rekreasi, bisa waktunya untuk rekreasi gitu.
Oke. Bagaimana bisa menjelaskan tentang ISP Science ini, alat-alat permainan mereka di taman bermain?
Saya jelaskan. Seperti ini, Miss. Saya tanya dulu seperti pertamanya itu, pernahkah kalian ke taman bermain? Mereka jawab pasti pernah. Gitu kan. Lalu contohnya tahu tidak taman bermain itu isinya apa? Jadi ada alat permainan, Miss. Tahu tidak alat permainan yang mana seperti apa? Ayunan, mereka bilang seperti itu. Jadi saya jelaskan ayunan itu bermainnya, cara bermainnya gimana? Gitu. Permainan juga itu seperti apa? Permainan perosotan atau seluncuran itu seperti apa?
Apakah sebenarnya mereka juga apa jenis permainan yang kamu sukai begitu?
Iya, pasti.
Jadi
mereka jawab kebanyakan ini, Miss, perosotan. Karena perosotan tidak hanya di taman bermain, kan biasanya juga ada di kolam renang.
Apa itu tari balet?
Tari balet itu tari yang indah, lalu seperti yang penarinya itu bergerak seperti kupu-kupu. Menekuk itu membengkokkan suatu benda atau melipat suatu benda. Contohnya seperti kamu melipat kertas untuk membuat pesawat terbang dari atas. Sangkar burung adalah tempat atau rumah burung di mana mereka bisa makan dan istirahat di dalamnya.
Contohnya seperti apa itu?
Contohnya sangkar burung itu biasanya terbuat dari besi atau kayu, yang mana burung itu diletakkan di dalamnya.
Itu bambu.
Besi ya, bambu. Ya, bambu di dalam. Lalu burung itu diletakkan di dalamnya dan burung itu makan istirahat di dalam sangkar tersebut. Tirai adalah tirai itu suatu kain yang dapat menutupi jendela yang berguna untuk menutup sinar matahari secara langsung. Kubus itu adalah 3 dimensi yang memiliki ukuran yang sama. Jadi contohnya seperti dadu yang biasa kita mainkan dalam permainan ludo. Kantong darah itu tempat untuk menyimpan darah yang biasanya atau disebut tas darah yang berguna untuk orang-orang yang sakit yang membutuhkan darah. Biasanya kita temukan di mana ya kantong darah? Biasanya di PLT atau di rumah sakit. Mendidih itu air yang sangat panas dengan beberapa gelembung. Contohnya ketika kamu ingin memasak mie, kamu harus merebus air tersebut, lalu kamu masukkan mie.
Alright, I think enough for the information for today, guys. I have asked many things from science, basic physical science, dictionary English, bahasa, aeroscience, ISP bahasa and science. Most of them, I think, could be answered well by you. Just for the sounds breakers now, when at first you try to remember how many sounds. But by